Planking, it's not just about holding a position. It's about transforming your body and mind. Today, we're diving into the top 10 benefits of incorporating planks into your workout routine. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take your fitness journey to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about one of the most effective exercises you can do, the plank. Benefit number 1, core strength. Planks engage multiple muscle groups, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back, leading to a stronger core and better posture. And who doesn't want a strong, toned core? It's not just about looks, it's about stability and overall functional fitness. Benefit number 2, improved posture. By strengthening the muscles that support your spine, planks help align your body properly, reducing the risk of back pain and injury. Benefit number 3, increased flexibility. Holding a plank stretches and lengthens muscles, promoting flexibility in your shoulders, hamstrings, and even the arches of your feet. Flexibility is key to preventing injuries and improving performance in other exercises. Benefit number 4, better balance. Side planks target the muscles responsible for lateral stability, helping you maintain balance and coordination. Benefit number 5, enhanced metabolism. Planks engage large muscle groups, leading to a higher calorie burn even after you've finished your workout. That's right, planking can help rev up your metabolism, making it a great addition to any weight loss or maintenance plan. Benefit number 6, versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, there's a plank variation for you. From traditional planks to side planks, plank jacks, and even plank walks, the possibilities are endless. Benefit number 7, mental strength. Holding a plank requires focus, determination, and mental toughness. It's as much a workout for your mind as it is for your body. When you push through the burn and hold that plank a few seconds longer, you're building mental resilience that extends far beyond the gym. Benefit number 8, upper body strength. Planks aren't just for your core. They also engage your shoulders, chest, and arms, helping you build upper body strength and definition. Benefit number 9, injury prevention. By strengthening the muscles around your joints and improving stability, planks can help reduce the risk of common injuries, such as sprains and strains. And finally, benefit number 10, time efficiency. With just a few minutes of plank exercises each day, you can target multiple muscle groups and get a full body workout without any equipment. So there you have it, folks, 10 incredible benefits of planking. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, adding planks to your routine can help you reach your goals faster and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, stay strong and keep planking.